Hey, welcome to my lifetime. This is my experience. This is my time. I just want to show you in this video, I got a 2013 Nissan Altima. 2013. And it got over 200,000 miles on it. And one thing happened, the door sensor or door jar light came on. And I discovered that the little piece for the sensor, it was broken. The door sensor was broken. This little piece in here was broken. So what I did, I went to the dealership. This is my experience. Might not be everybody else's experience, but my experience, went to the car dealer, asked them, can they fix it? They said, yeah, it's going to be over $300. $300, okay, well, it's a door sensor. What you got to do? I got to order the sensor. Fine. So I said, that's kind of too much for a sensor, just a little door, a little piece. So I said, let me go online before I, let them fix it. So went online, I found the sensor, same sensor, for 2013 Nissan Altima, door jar sensor, for like $20. I said, nah, that's too cheap. Nah, it's too cheap. Now, let me see. $25, $35, $65. So I asked the dealer, how much does the sensor cost? Oh, the sensor only costs like $100 and something dollars. Not even $150. Less than $150. So I said, that might be the same sensor. And I look everything up. It's the same exact sensor. It's a 2013. It's over a 10-year-old car. So, the sensors are, it's not expensive, but it's the labor that they're going to charge over $200 to put it in. Minimum of 1 hour labor. So I said, let me go online and get the sensor and put it in myself. And that's why this is my experience, my lifetime, to show you how to change parts on your car from my experience for this channel. So until I'm finished, I'm going to show you the process of what I've done on how I changed the sensor in my car. Welcome to my channel. Hey, how y'all doing out there? Yeah, I'm about to change the door sensor. I got a 2013 Nissan Altima. And, when you slam the door so much, the sensors be going off. Like on the door, the sensor broke. And the 2013, that's how I taped it up so the sensor light can come on. So it doesn't come on. So I taped it up and tried to get the sensor from, the car dealership, Nissan dealership. He telling me and quoted me 329 installed. It was like $100 something for the sensor itself. And for the installation, their minimum charge is about an hour. So it's like almost $20 an hour. So $3 and some change just to install a sensor. So you know what I did. I went online and found the same door sensor for a 2013 Nissan Altima. And here it is. It's the part number, let me see if I can see this here. 25360-1HA1C. I went online and got this sensor for, believe it, like total with tax and everything and shipping, less than $20. So what I'm gonna do now is install it in the door. But one thing I did, it's a funny, let me take on this side. It's a funny shaped bolt. Like on this side right here, this bolt. Matter of fact, let me take on the other side. I'm going to replace it with. So you can see exactly what I'm looking at. Let me take the tape off. If I want you to see it, I might as well take it off from the right one that I'm going to install. So hold on one second. See, this little piece right here. See this little piece. This little piece right here. Don't mind me. This is, first time documenting what I'm doing. This little piece goes in here. That's that. Let me turn the camera around. Hold on. This little piece goes into here. Okay. And then when you close the door, it goes in and it stops the light on the dashboard saying doors ajar. Doors ajar. So this little piece broke. I taped it up, and I said, okay, let me get the sensor. So I brought the sensor, and I said, okay, let me go and get the, see if I got the right bolts. So I went in my little trusty tool case, and I said, okay, it's a funny looking bolt. Let me see if I got something in my my case to see if it goes into it. I never saw the bolt before. So I went in my case, and everything I had doesn't fit. So me, I went to Home Depot, and I took a picture, showed them this. They were like, I don't know what that is. So I went to Home Depot, got one of these bolts, what do you call it, bits, and I ordered a bit. And I went to Home Depot, ordered the bits, went there, got the bits, went there like went there 4 times. And I asked one of my friends, what kind of bolt that is, or bit, whatever you want to call it, because I got these sockets, going myself, doing like work myself. Got these sockets, paid for it myself. I'm figuring, it might be one of these. Nope. Can you see it? Might be one of these. Nope, doesn't fit. It might be one of these. Nope, that doesn't fit. So, went back to Home Depot, did some research, and found out it's a torque bit. TORX bit. It's a 6-point. So it's a 6-point torque bit. So finally, after 4 times going back and forth to Home Depot, because the one thing good about Home Depot, you can get some tools, and if it don't fit, take it back, get a refund. I got like 3 refunds already. This is the 4th time I went. I finally got the right tool, and it's called torque bit. Let me turn this around so you can see it. Torque bit. See, torque bit. 11-piece torque bit socket set. And I found the right size. It's the T20 6-point torque bit. And I already hooked it up to my socket. Got the adapter to it. So I already hooked it up. So what I'm going to do now is unhook. I'm going to take off this sensor. Hopefully I'm going to set this up so you can see me take it off, then put the new sensor back on. Like I said before, this is the new sensor. Got it for less than $20 offline. And the dealer want to charge me over $300 for it, so I'm going to do it myself. Hold on. I'm setting this up so you can see me take this off. And it fits. Wrong side, let me turn it around this way. And it's coming off, see? I'm going back and forth to Home Depot. 3 days. Get the right tool, you can do anything. Fix anything with the right tool. I'm taking this off. Now it's off. See? Now let's see if it comes out easy. It's out. It's connected to a little clip. See that? Let me turn this around so you can see it. It's connected to a little clip. So let me see how I can take this out. Let me put this down for a minute. Hold on. So you press down on this little piece right here. Press down on that. It'll slide right off. I already pressed it, so it slides right off. And that little piece, the little black piece I showed you before, goes into that little piece right there. It broke off. So let me open this up, the new one. Put the phone down for a minute. Here's a new piece. Like I said before, here's a part number 25360-1HA1C. It's the door ajar sensor for a 2013 Nissan. So it looks like the same. You know what they do when you go to school? They're like, make sure it's the exact same thing, same prongs and everything. So it looks the same prong. Looks the same. Feel like it looks the same? Looks the same to me. Just a little bit cleaner. So let me put it in and connect everything. Put this down for a minute, hold on. And it fits. Clip it right in, see? It's the new one, so turn it around. Door. Hold this line up. Let me put the screw in there. Hold on. Hold on, let me set this up so you can see it. Hold on. Go back on here. Turn it, see if it goes in. It's going in. Get tight. We gotta torque it. You just gotta tighten it enough so it doesn't move. Tighten it. I want to hold it tight, but that's tight enough. Okay, so I got it in. Let's see if it works. Yeah, we're not in the car now. Got the doors closed. Let me start the car up. No more door ajar light. It's not on. The doors are closed. Open the door. You see up top. See the passenger door is open. See up top right there. Just door open, passenger door. And then close it. Doors closed. Open. Open. Close it. Closed. Now I just saved over $300 for doing some service myself. Went on the internet and got the sensor for less than $20. It took a week for me to get it, to get it, and I installed it myself. The longest thing that it took me to do is to find the right bit to get the little screw out to disconnect the old sensor, to put in a new sensor. That what took the longest part. It took me 3 days to find the right bit. It's a torque bit to get that sensor out for the screw. And I found the torque bit at Home Depot, paid $25 for the set. I might just take the whole set back because I'm not going to be able to use it again. Or I might keep it. I don't know. I might keep it. But it saved me over $300 by doing it myself. I just wanted to verify and show you how to do work for yourself. Because when you do work for yourself and fix stuff on your car for yourself, you can save a lot of money. Sometimes you can do worse job and mess things up. But it's for the small things that you can do yourself, do it yourself. You might think you can't do it, but you can do it. And if you can do it, why not try? So this is Anthony just saying, take a chance. Learn the blueprint. Fix your own parts that you can fix. And if it's too big for you, take it to the dealership or take it to somebody that can fix it. But if you can do it yourself, I say do it yourself. If this video helped you out a lot, leave a comment below. Let me know. Like I said, it's a 2013 Nissan Altima. I got over 265,000 miles on it. It only has 165,000 on the transmission. They changed the transmission back when I had like 90-something thousand miles on it. So they changed the transmission. I said, I'm going to ride this thing until the wheels fall off and buy some more wheels and put them on so I keep on going. I take care of my properties. I take care of my cars.